Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a lonely soul. This soul was not like the others. It was rounder, shinier, and had a more vibrant hue. In a vast ocean teeming with numerous fishes, the soul stood out, but this uniqueness brought loneliness. The soul longed for a companion who could appreciate its beauty. One day, a storm swept across the ocean, causing the soul to be swept away from its home. Lost and frightened, the soul found itself on a distant shore, far from its comfort zone. In this unfamiliar land, the soul encountered a crab. The crab, with its hard shell and sharp claws, was far from appealing to the soul's eyes. The soul was about to turn away when the crab spoke. "I see you're lost, friend soul," the crab said. "I have a home not far from here. Come, let's travel together." The soul hesitated, unsure if it could trust the crab. But the crab's offer was genuine, and the soul was desperate. It decided to take a chance and follow the crab. The journey was long and arduous, but the soul found solace in the crab's company. As they traveled, the soul discovered that beneath the crab's rough exterior lay a kind and understanding heart. The soul learned that beauty is not always about appearance, but about the heart. The crab, in turn, found a friend in the soul, someone who could appreciate its wisdom and strength. In the end, the soul found its companion, not in its own kind, but in a creature it once considered its opposite. The soul realized that sometimes, the most beautiful journey is not about finding what you seek, but about the people you meet along the way. And so, the soul and the crab continued their journey together, cherishing the bond they had formed, a bond forged in adversity, but strengthened by understanding and acceptance. The soul, once lonely, now had a companion to share its journey, proving that sometimes, the most unexpected friendships can lead to the most beautiful beginnings.